So, you've produced an amazing video, and you are eager to share it with the world? Well, not so fast. There's still one extra, yet critical, step to take: choosing the best video hosting for your business. That's a big part of your video marketing equation, as you need to spread your videos to the right channels in order to maximize their reach among those who should watch your video. You don't need to target the whole world. The thing is, there's not an objectively best choice all the time. Each video hosting service has different strengths and weaknesses. It's up to you to decide which one suits your business and marketing needs best, considering your branding concerns, the analytics and marketing tools each one provides, etc. So yeah, picking the best video hosting for your business is tough, but you've come to the right place. We created a list of video hosting sites, each with different features, but all at the top of their game. Read on. The 5 best video hostings for businesses. Here's a list of video hosting sites that can help you make the most out of your video marketing game. Let's see what each video platform brings to the table. 1. Wistia. We've been using Wistia for many years, and we can say it's one of the best video hostings for businesses. To start, it offers huge simplicity to set your account up, and it's very user-friendly. It also gives you full control over the branding and customization of the video player. But Wistia's most remarkable feature is probably the heat map, which gives you the chance to see which parts of the video were watched, skipped or rewatched, and what other videos the viewer has watched. This video hosting platform also provides advanced insights into your video's performance and some interesting marketing tools. Other valuable features include adding social sharing options, clickable calls to action, and collecting viewers' emails, among others. Do keep in mind that Wistia offers one of the most expensive video hosting services on this list, though. Its premium plans start at $99 per month. There is, however, a free membership available, but its features are way more limited. Pros: easy to use. Allows for some customization. Great video analytics. Enables you to collect viewers' data. Cons: customization is somewhat limited. Steep pricing. 2. YouTube for business. We can sum up YouTube's main advantages in 2 words: community plus social platform. Yes, the great thing about YouTube is that it has a large community around the world, while it's also, by essence, a social network. With this in mind, this video hosting platform is great for raising brand awareness, but there's more. YouTube belongs to Google. YouTube's videos rank at the top of Google's SERP, and YouTube is inherently a search engine by itself. Not insignificant at all. Want more benefits? It's very easy to use, and it's a free video hosting site. The problem is that YouTube was conceived as a social network, not as a video hosting for businesses. Consequently, you'll have to adapt to its look and feel, with no option to customize the video player and the video analytics, which, although they're pretty good, are not as advanced as Wistia's, for instance. Pros: it's a free video hosting site. Easy to use. Great for raising brand awareness and generating engagement. Your videos can appear at the top of Google's result page. Cons: no customization allowed. Its video metrics can be too basic for a business's needs. 3. Vimeo Business. Vimeo's community is not as large as YouTube's, but it's definitely much more targeted, and this, depending on your business, could be highly important. It's also one of the most popular video hosting platforms, standing out from the crowd for targeting creative professionals like designers, film enthusiasts, and artists in general. Additionally, it gives you the possibility to fully customize the video player, and the overall visualization is much more elegant and sophisticated than other video hosting sites. On the downside, Vimeo users tend to complain about the platform's poor customer service. It's also common to see customers dissatisfied with this video hosting site's algorithm, as it's seemingly hard to find what you are looking for in the search results page. As for pricing, Vimeo offers various types of memberships, each with a different cost. The one that's most focused on corporate video hosting is called Vimeo Business and costs $50 per month. Pros: full customization allowed. Targeted audience: creative designers, filmmakers, and artists. Sophisticated aesthetic. Cons: not ideal for massive campaigns. Poor customer service. The search feature is a bit deficient. 4. Sprout Video. Sprout Video stands out for its excellent corporate video hosting service and its amazing features. Just to give you the big picture, it offers heat maps, graphics, and detailed analytics. You can also add specific CTAs, email collection forms, create curated playlists, and manage your video SEO options. Regarding branding, you can fully customize the video player and the page. The number of customizations you can make is astonishing. This video hosting platform's usability is good, but first-time users can find it a little hard to understand. When it comes to memberships, Sprout Video offers various plans, ranging from $25 to $500 per month. However, there's a few cents fee for additional storage, and for every minute your live streaming exceeds the time limit. Pros: provides detailed video analytics, allows you to collect viewers' data, enables full customization, offers SEO options. Cons: non-intuitive layout. 5. Vidyard. Vidyard is hands down one of the best video hostings for businesses. To start with, it offers you the possibility to add gated content. The video platform collects the emails and analyzes how they perform, and brand your video accordingly, giving you full control over the look and feel of the video player. You can also do A/B testing for multiple thumbnails, use pop-out CTAs, and leverage automatically generated lists of video assets that contribute to ROI, among other functionalities. But the icing on the cake is probably the amazing real-time analytics it provides, and the possibility to channel this data into Eloqua, HubSpot, or Marketo records. Regarding price, you may be surprised to know that this corporate video hosting platform offers a pretty good free membership with unlimited uploads. That said, its most sophisticated plans have way better features and range from $15 to $1,250 per month. Video Player Pros: allows you to add gated content, provides full customization features, allows you to A/B test different thumbnails, offers real-time analytics that are compatible with HubSpot, Marketo, and Eloqua. Cons: the best plans are very expensive. Need a video? Join Fiverr. Hiring a fancy video hosting service will be of little use if your video content isn't up to par. As we mentioned earlier, picking the best video hosting for your business is a major decision, but it's not the only critical factor of your video marketing strategy. It's also vital to produce a video that resonates with your target audience and conveys your brand's unique style. With this in mind, it's recommended to create an original video tailored to your brand's needs and expectations. That's why Fiverr Whiteboard and Animated Explainers services. See what else they offer. Top-notch quality is hands down one of the best in the market. Videos are 100% customized. Offer the best price quality guarantee. Communication flow is smooth, keeping you up to date with everything regarding your project. But instead of us rapping on about it, why don't you just check their latest reel and see our videos' quality for yourself? You can check out the link in the description. Take a look at the different types of video they specialize in. Explainer videos. The ultimate type of corporate video. In less than 2 minutes, explainers help your audience understand what your product or service is all about and why it's a great option for them. Commercial ads. These videos are designed to boost your brand awareness. They fit particularly well in YouTube ads campaigns. Educational videos. These videos help your audience understand a topic related to your field, establishing your company as an expert in the subject and raising your visibility. Tutorial how-to videos. This is a type of educational video that focuses on step-by-step instructions to carry out a particular process. Internal videos. These videos are meant to be distributed company-wide with informative or training purposes. They work like a charm for keeping your entire workforce on the same page and avoiding misunderstandings. Summing up, as you have learned today, picking the best video hosting for your business is a decision that depends on your company's goals and target audience. If you want to thoroughly analyze your video's performance and collect leads data, you should check out Wistia, Sprout, or Vidyard. If your target audience consists of artsy people, Vimeo is the video hosting platform you are looking for. If, on the contrary, you are aiming at raising brand awareness, then YouTube is the best option for you. Now, what if you wish to accomplish more than one of these goals? Well, don't worry. You don't need to marry just one video platform. You can use even 2 or 3 video hostings for your business and complement their features and functionalities to meet your particular needs, making the most out of the corporate video hosting world. Good luck.